What is this one he's doing? Another one of those quick ones? Oh.
Two of them. I'm not ready. That's not that little.
That's pretty good for that little thing.
It's quiet too. Those things are pretty bright.
Wow. I put out a lot for a little thing.
Right? Those things are bright. I thought it was your father doing it like this.
I should probably put it down and then light it.
Yeah, most likely, yeah. That would be the smart thing. Those are cool. Look at how they get those things to be so bright. It's like a camera flash.
Yeah.
That's neat.
That's nice and quiet.
Yeah, watch it. Good, that's it.
Hold your ears. Holy crap.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that.
Oh, that was not noisy.
No, no. That's a good one. You want to smoke. That's cool. Look at that. Surprise. Yeah. That's a nice one.
That is.
Oh yeah.
Be quiet.
Yeah. Awesome.
I like the quiet part.
Well, at least we're doing it before people's bedtime. Some people around here doing it around midnight. I'll hear them at midnight.
Are you lighting fireworks? No.
Yeah.
You can't prove anything.
Oh, look at that. Cool.
That's another layer.
You can't prove anything.
A lot.
A lot of smoke.
White,
Yeah.
white, and then...
Oh, that's cool. It's still going.
This is a big one.
It's gonna be blue and white and loud.
That's awesome. That was
Woo!
Good one.
That was
Awesome.
Cool.
Yeah.
Neat. That's that nice. Yeah. Sweet. That's a beauty.
That's it.
No. It's that the other tubes are going now. Yeah, that's nice.
That is...
That was cool, man.